Hey guys, have you ever heard of virtual reality gaming, where you're able to immerse yourself in a completely 3D artificial environment? Tech companies have taken us one step closer to the future and developed virtual reality headsets that will allow users to immerse themselves in virtual reality gaming in the comfort of their own homes, offices, laboratories, or anywhere they wish. Today's video is about the top 7 best VR headsets for 2022. I know that playing games on VR looks so interesting and fun, and it is. It's just that the prices can sometimes get a little too much. So I came up with a list of the VR headsets worth the price. We will be starting from the most affordable unit and slowly work our way to the most expensive one. If you're interested in any of the products I mention, you can find their Amazon links in the description below. Please like the video and subscribe if you like my recommendations. So, let's get started. Starting with the best budget VR headset, the Htc Vive. The Htc Vive is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 1200 by 1080 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Its front holds 32 motion tracking sensors with a single optical camera on the lower center of the panel. The link box holds a DisplayPort, power, USB and HDMI connectors for the PC on one side and HDMI and USB connectors for the headset on the other side. The controllers are ones that are ambidextrous, measuring about 8.5 inches long with positioning and motion sensors. The controllers include analog thumbsticks that are designed to fit the curve of your hand comfortably. The HTC Vive supports both motion controls and whole room VR. The HTC Vive does great in helping you traverse both physically and virtual reality. To return to the physical world whenever you want, double tapping the home button of the controller will do just fine. This powerful VR offers a great experience at a price of $99.99. Next on our list is the best standalone VR headset, the Oculus Quest 2. Oculus Quest 2 gives you easy access and has a resolution of 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It is one of the most accessible and best virtual reality headsets that is great for users who are just starting or even virtual reality experts. Compared to its predecessors, it has a sharper screen, lighter design, and a more powerful processor. Besides not needing cables, it has a sharp display, a powerful processor, and accurate motion tracking, and it has an optional PC tethering with an accessory cable. Oculus Quest 2 has an HWD of 4 by 7.5 by 7.6 inches and only weighs around a pound. The headset's smooth plastic chassis is white with a contrasting black plastic and foam eye mask that gives it a sleek and clean design. 4 position tracking cameras are mounted along its edges with a nearly bare frontal faceplate. The VR headset is equipped with a USB-C port and an audio jack on its left side, while the power button and LED indicator can be found on the right. The Oculus Quest 2 is comfortable to wear, lightweight, and has enough power to run high-quality graphics and detailed virtual reality experiences. Because of how the eye mask is designed, it allows you to comfortably use the headset even with glasses. This VR headset is arguably the best Oculus has made, and all these amazing features come with a beautiful price of only $299. The best VR headset for consoles is the Sony Playstation Vr. The Sony Playstation Vr is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 1080 by 1960 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It has an approximate field of view of 100 degrees and contains a 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope. The headset gives you an immersive VR experience with motion control support. The VR headset allows you to play captivating games with a comprehensible and very comfortable headset that will not result in you breaking the bank or maxing out your credit card. The Sony Playstation Vr weighs about 1.3 pounds and is made mostly of curved white plastic with electronics held by a prominent visor. There is a headband that wraps around the back of your head, which is supported by a plastic crosspiece that includes an adjustment wheel and a button. It gives emphasis to comfort as it is very comfortable to use and has a plastic ring that pads your head, allowing the VR headset to fit your head snugly. This headset is used along with a PlayStation camera, which is sold in a set with the Sony Playstation Vr for a price of $399. Next on our list is the Oculus Rift S, the best VR headset for your PC. The Oculus Rift S is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 1440 by 1280 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 80 Hz. This headset simplifies the setup process and gives a good experience. It has sharper display with an LCD, making it look bright. The headset also has accurate motion tracking for both the headset and controllers, which are easy to set up. The placing of its cameras allow you to look at the room directly through the cameras without having to estimate where possible obstacles are in the physical world. The Oculus Rift S offers a wide variety of compelling games that you can play. It is comfortable to use with its weight, its touch controllers are very good, and its inside tracking is also promising. These amazing features come at a price of around $500. Another one from the HTC line that made the list is the HTC Vive Cosmos. The HTC Vive Cosmos is the best ergonomic VR headset. It is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 1700 by 1400 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It has a good resolution, does not require external sensors, and has improved controllers. The controllers have rounded grips and curved triggers that follow your index and middle fingers, giving a very comfortable experience. The headset's front panel allows you to flip it up to easily look at the physical world, adjust settings in your computer, and anything else that you might need to do. It also has headphones that are built into the headset, providing spatial game audio. The HTC Vive Cosmos is lightweight, powerful, and comfortable, providing a magnificent platform where you can play some of the best VR content. This headset goes for a price of $699. Another HTC product made it to the list, the HTC Vive Pro 2. The HTC Vive Pro 2 is the best immersive VR headset you can get. It is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 2440 by 2440 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The headset's field of view extends to 120 degrees and has a dial and lock system that allows you to adjust the straps to your head size. The HTC Vive Pro 2 also offers IDP, or interpupillary distance, that can be adjusted to make the experience better for your eyes. This headset has the best resolution for VR gaming, and it also offers smooth motion tracking. The HTC Vive Pro 2 is built with premium materials that are lightweight and has an ergonomic design that allows the headset to fit on basically anyone. It offers a visualization in 5K resolution and provides 3D spatial sound. It gives an amazing resolution, leading to a stunning experience when gaming with virtual reality. And this comes with a price of $1399. Last, and definitely not the least, is the Valve Index VR Kit. The Valve Index VR Kit is the best overall VR headset. It is a tethered VR headset that has a resolution of 1600 by 1440 pixels per eye and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The individual finger tracking of the set is very impressive as it gives a more immersive feel. This headset also has two cameras below the front plate that highlights objects that are nearby with 2D or 3D outlines. The headset is the best option for those virtual reality users and enthusiasts who really want to get a premium experience, as it offers excellent ergonomics and an exceptional gaming library. Although the assembly has many parts that move, it is easy to follow. The Valve Index VR Kit also has the most magnificent finger tracking controllers. With the whole assembly being black, the headset gives off a regal feeling with a matching price of $1,799. Although the Valve Index VR Kit is quite frankly expensive, it is not an ordinary VR headset. It is one of the most impressive VR headsets with its game-changing controllers with finger tracking. It is a door to a whole new world of virtual reality. Which one was your favorite on the list? Comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our next video.